Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to upload videos to your Google Drive. Uploading your videos to Google Drive can be useful as you can access these videos on your other devices, granted that you're signed into those devices too. Alright, so let's go ahead and open your preferred browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome for mine. Then make sure that you're logged in. So you can go ahead and go to Google Apps and click on the icon for Google Drives. Clicking it will take you directly to Google Drive. So for this one, you can go ahead and press the new button here, then choose File Upload. Alright, so just look for the video that you want to upload. Alright, just go ahead and click on it. Alright, and let's just wait for it to upload. So as you can see, it would be uploaded to your Google Drive. The best way you can see this is go to Recent, and there you go. It should appear here. And now you can access this video on all your devices. And if you want to share it to others, just go ahead and press the three dots over here or right click on share, change the access to anyone with the link. Then you can go ahead and copy link and send the link to anyone you want to share the video with.